You started.
What do you do with your feet?
Did you start?
Yes, I started.
Okay. So, hi you guys. So this is gonna be my room tour. I look a mess. That's not the point. This is a tour of my room, so you're barely gonna see me in it. But yeah, so this is my pantry. Like, this is most of it. Okay, so up here is where I keep like my dinner that I'm gonna try and have for the week. So like this week I'm gonna try and have some pasta. I have the pasta seasoning down here, but you know, that doesn't matter. Yeah, pantry is simple, easy. There'll probably be some B-roll of the camera. I mean, of the pantry. Yeah, let's like, this is the mirror. You can probably see the camera person. Yeah. Ooh, I'm looking pudgy. This is where I come to look at myself and tell myself that I'm not what I think I am. I am a beautiful woman that can do anything. And yeah.
Amen.
That's a lie. I come here and I just look at like what I'm wearing and I'm just like, okay, this looks like crap. Ooh, you look jiggly. Ooh, wow, varicose veins. Love that. Anyway, that's the point again. It's all about being natural and true to yourself. That's all that matters.
Exactly.
This is my desk. This is where I'm trying to start doing like eating my dinners and like not like I'm trying to eat my dinner, do my work. Do my work over here. When I'm filming, I usually have like this is usually the setup. I'll have like these lights on right here. I'll have these lights on and then I'll have the window open. Like I'll try and make sure everything's in the daylight. So it'll mostly just be this, and then y'all probably won't see this part in videos, but y'all mostly see back there. But we'll get to that next. I'm trying to make everything marble. There will be a marble DIY coming up on how I'm gonna like marbleize my room, even though I have a few things that are already marble. I just love marble right now. This little area over here is my like crafts area. Like this is where I keep my crafts and everything. My sewing machine's over there. That's my nail desk. Like when I do my nails, I usually use that desk. I probably won't sit at this one because I don't want this one to get any like product on it. And then that little marbleized Sterilite box is where I keep all of my nail supplies. I'm trying to make sure I keep all my nail supplies in there. My printer, barely use that thing. It was only like $40, whatever. This is my bed, where you know, we bed. Well, not we, it's just me. What's the other time? There's my name, cute. There's actually a light back here. Like these are little lights. I should probably turn that on to be more aesthetic, but who cares? You get the point. You'll probably see it on Instagram. Some things y'all probably see on Instagram first before you see it on YouTube. So yeah, bed. I have my remotes right here because that's just, you know, with that. This is just like my charging station, and this is also a box of shoes. And I also, if you see my closet, there'll be shoes in there. I'll probably do like a voiceover for everything else over there because it's, you don't have to do that. I'll probably do like a voiceover for everything else over there because it kind of can't fit me and another person in there to take a video. But like y'all will get the gist. This is also where I keep my snacks, my bedtime snacks. I snack all day, who cares? And I always try and put a little quote over here. This was my quote for like last semester. So I have to put up a new quote, which I have one, but I can't remember it. So we'll try and figure that out. This is not important. So yeah. And into the bathroom. So one thing I'm excited about, I didn't do a video on, but I put up a shower head, a detachable one, because our dorm rooms are kind of dirty. If you live here or have lived here or want to live here, this little piece on here dirty. It's like disgusting, and I don't know what to do with it. So I'm like every time I'm cleaning, I'm gonna take my detachable shower head, and while I'm like scrubbing underneath there, I'm gonna like definitely try and flow water under there so it can all drain down because I'm disgusted. Yeah, this is where I keep my products: hair products, lotions, oils, and face products, and just extras. And then I put my dirty washcloths down there where I poop.
Oh my god.
Where I brush my teeth and spit. And closet. So we're gonna definitely see that there's a closet. Okay, you don't have to do all that. You can. Okay, you're a little close. Okay, so the closet, you know, just basic stuff. I got the white parts from IKEA. The little white, the shoe rack, and this little rack from IKEA. And I also got this little piece that y'all will see a little close up of. I got it from a thrift store. And then there's shelving up there. Everything nice. You know, I'm trying to be a little bit more clean this year, so I'm gonna try and be a little more organized and clean. Y'all will see how that goes on Instagram. Plug my Instagram in. You've probably seen it like 50 times already. Yeah, and then I have my little couponing pile up there. I'm very proud of it. So, okay, over here. Refrigerator, microwave, oven thing, yeah. And then these little matching plates, whatever this is, bowl and bowls, like bigger bowl. If you've been to Target, you've seen. And my plant, my favorite plant, I got this from my job, Finders Keepers Furnishings. I don't work there, but I work at the other one. Not the point. Yeah. And I have a little fan. My book bags are right there, which I need to pack. I'm trying to keep some plants. I'm hopefully gonna get some real plants soon, because as you can tell, my room's like green, pink. It's not supposed to be blue, but there's blue. And my TV, normal. I have lights around here that are super cool with my Apple TV. It doesn't turn. Okay, yeah, yay. I always try and keep it on a certain color if it'll work for me. So it's like super cute in here when you like turn the lights off. I like trying to do that. I have my Apple TV plugged up. Great things. And we're back at the start. Yay! Finished! Woo! Now get out. Okay, you guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, watch a previous video, or probably like my next video, whatever, however that thing goes. Yeah, please like, subscribe, comment, follow me on all my socials, and yeah, bye.